Presenting the redesigned 2025 Chevrolet Trax, which redefines the compact SUV class with modern styling, advanced tech. The 2025 Chevy Trax greets you with a dynamic front fascia, centered bowtie logo, streamlined LED headlamps, and a sporty bumper that gives the compact a wider, more confident stance. It's a modern redesign that brings both attitude and approachable styling to the compact SUV segment. At the rear, sleek boomerang-style LED lamps flank a refined liftgate, topped with a subtle spoiler. The sculpted bumper adds visual depth and modern flair, blending stylish cues with practical SUV design that stands out on any street. Inside, the Trax greets you with an intuitive layout. An oversized 11-inch touchscreen dominates the dash, matched by a clear digital driver display. Dual-tone upholstery and ambient lighting elevate the cabin. It's cozy, sophisticated, and smartly designed for affordable comfort. Seen from above, the Trax reveals a thoughtfully packaged layout, with a compact roofline, balanced wool coverage, and strong character lines flowing around a roomy cabin. Its space efficiency realized in a compact form, captured crisply in 8K clarity. The wheel close-up showcases attractive alloy designs wrapped in well-profiled performance tires. Behind them lie dependable braking components, all chosen to blend aesthetics with confident stopping power in everyday drives. The Trax excels in everyday tech with features like wireless phone charging, USB ports, and intuitive climate controls. The infotainment screen is angled toward the driver for easy access, and the ambient lighting brings warmth, proof that smart design can echo luxury. Side on, the Trax displays an athletic profile with sculpted wheel arches and a stretched silhouette that punch above its compact size. Trim-specific alloy wheels and subtly integrated roof rails add versatility without compromising its refined, urban-ready appeal. Practicality is a hallmark. 54.1 cubic feet of cargo space emerges when rear seats fold flat. The low liftover makes packing easy, while roomy rear legroom ensures 5 adults travel comfortably. This compact SUV truly adapts to life on the move. Safety remains a priority with Chevy Safety Assist Standard, featuring automatic emergency braking, lane keep alert, and front pedestrian detection. Available upgrades like adaptive cruise and blind spot alerts make the Trax not only connected, but confidently secure. With a starting price under $21,500 and packed with modern tech, space, and safety, the 2025 Trax delivers exceptional value. It's stylish, comfortable, and ready for real life. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more cars showcases.